I grew up in France. My parents come from North Africa, Algeria. I'm an engineer, but I also teach cooking as a hobby. The flan is an interesting dessert because it's simple, but also very versatile. In Normandy, for instance, they use prunes. In Paris, they have two versions, one with nothing, that's called Flan Parisien, and the other one with cherries, and it's called clafoutina. You can use very different fruits, and it'll have completely different flavor and outcomes. I have a niece who loves it with blueberry, and it's her favorite dessert. And my nephew Aaron loves it with bananas. I use this recipe and I teach it as a way of saying, somebody showed up at the door, you have nothing ready, you can make it in minutes.